Hello, I'm Vince from Are Airstream of Chandler, Arizona. Today I wanted to go over how to deploy your outside steps, bringing them out and putting them back in. There's a little bit of a technique. So most Airstreams have this type of step on your trailer. What you're going to want to do is don't stand in front of the steps. They're going to come down. You want to use both handles here. If you don't, sometimes using one handle, the steps will come out angled, and then you're going to have to adjust them. So basically you just pull this lever up, the steps come down, they'll lock in, and then the secret is, remember, roll, roll, roll. You're going to bring the first step up 90 degrees and just keep rolling it out. So the step will come right out, roll, and it's now been deployed. As you put the step in, you want to remember that 90-degree angle again. So you push the first step in, it goes up 90 degrees, and then roll, roll, roll. You're going to roll the step all the way up, and then you're just going to, with two hands, lift this up a little bit and just put that back down. Very simple, and that should be able to get your steps in and out without any issues.